Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex and today's word is barrel. Barrel is a C1 level noun and it means a large cylindrical container. We often use barrel to describe containers used for storing liquids like oil, wine, or even water. A synonym for barrel is cask. For example, the wine was aged in a large cask. Another synonym is drum, like in, they stored the chemicals in a metal drum. An antonym of barrel, something with a very different shape and purpose, is cup. For instance, I poured a glass of water instead of a barrel of water, which is a humorous use. Another antonym is plate, like in, he served dinner on a plate, not in a barrel. In everyday life, you might hear phrases like a barrel of laughs, meaning something is very funny, or bottom of the barrel to refer to the worst available option. Examples of barrel in sentences are, they filled the barrel with rainwater, or the ship was carrying several barrels of oil. You could also say, he rolled the heavy barrel across the floor, or the monkey was having a barrel of fun. That's it for today's word, barrel. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps other people find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence about barrel and share it as a comment under the video.